Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to connect PlayStation 4 controller with a Samsung TV. So first we have to turn on the pairing mode for the PlayStation 4. It doesn't matter whether it is on or off, you just have to press the power button, PS button, and also the share button. Let's press this together and you will see it will start to flash. So see, it's now ready to pair. Okay, now we move to the TV settings. Okay, now we have the TV turned on. Take the remote and press on this button to go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, go right to the input device manager and then click input device manager and then click Bluetooth devices. Here it will start to scan the available Bluetooth devices to pair. We just have to wait for our PlayStation 4 to show up. It showed up. So now we have to use the remote to click needs pairing and then click pair and connect. It will take a couple of seconds to connect with the PlayStation 4. And now then go to the close and you will be able to use the device using your controller now. You see, like we are able to use, like I'm using this now. See, you can use B. So this is how you connect a PlayStation 4 to your Samsung TV. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.